Hi, wondering if this Google Pixel Watch free waterproof? Let's find out. So this watch has two ratings, IP68 and 5 ATM. IP68 provides protection from water at a depth of up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. The 5 ATM rating allows the watch to be used at depth up to 50 meters, though without a specific time limit. So consider the limitations. While the watch has water resistance, it is not waterproof. Water can enter through the microphone and speaker ports, especially at great depth or under high pressure. Activities like diving or heavy water pressure could damage this device. And you can use the Pixel Watch free for swimming in a pool, showering, or in rainy weather. However, avoid hot water such as in saunas or hot tubs, as it could damage the watch. And please note the water resistance duration. The water resistance of the watch is not permanent. It may decrease over time due to wear and tear or drops. If damages, water might enter, potentially voiding the warranty. And for better protection, avoid using the watch in salt water, chemically contaminated water, or hot water. And of course, regularly check the watch's condition and avoid drops and strong impacts. Remember that water resistance can diminish over time. And I have found this information about ratings in the official Google website. So right here you can see 5 ATM and IP68 for Pixel Watch free ratings. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.